up all these records, that's why I said records, so I could pen a little. Mama told me being broke is just a state of mind. When you got dope, pretend you don't, then it'll be just fine. It ain't that I don't wanna share my fortune, but when you got a little niggas chase you around like vultures, they see you with some shine on, the thing that you making. You saw me in a video, what makes you believe this is Jacob? I'm racing, but I ain't going nowhere. Time don't stand still, my stand still is outrageous. When your niggas asleep, I'm putting in work. I told you not to sleep on the kids, shit done got worse. I don't listen to rap no more. Y'all niggas is losers, y'all don't rap no more. It sounds like half of y'all niggas got singing lessons, shit's depressing. But don't worry, I'm here to make real records.
Come on, party people, let's all get down. Put your hands up, listen to the crowd. Come on, y'all, this is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah. This is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah. Come on, party people, let's all get down. Put your hands up, listen to the crowd. Come on, y'all, this is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah. This is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah.
Never fell in love with what I saw on the TV screen. TV screens sell you dreams, those dreams ain't for me. Even though my days are dark, I reminisce about my bright nights in the dark. It don't matter if your pockets are fatter, you better stay on your toes like ballet dancers. Cause in a minute I'ma turn this shit out, turn this shit up. I'll show you what I'm about. Realest story, sipping 40s, I'm the realest homie. No one before me did it like this. I'm a star, don't look at my wrist. See how tight I grip the mic, it's like it's stuck to my fist. A good friend told me keep your nose clean and watch what they put in your drinks. Hoes all they want is scream, I scream, you scream. I ain't Martin Luther, but I do got a dream.
Come on, party people, let's all get down. Put your hands up, listen to the crowd. Come on, y'all, this is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah. This is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah. Come on, party people, let's all get down. Put your hands up, listen to the crowd. Come on, y'all, this is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah. This is hip-hop. Damn right, hell yeah.
It's funny to see how quick people switch faces just cause they saw you on magazine pages. I've been putting in work, I ain't no overnight celebrity. I stay on my grind, son, tell the enemy. My enemy's skin deep, trying to give me pounds now. Keep your books to yourself, I ain't your pal now. Representative, a year ago they booed me off stage. Now they loving me, but it's okay, love is love. I break bread with my thugs. Sometimes I get the feeling money's thicker than blood when you're swimming in a pool of sharks. Survival of the fittest, dog bite, don't bark. It's all about sex, drugs, and money. Wanna sell records, talk sex, drugs, and money. It's funny how the white man got us waving the white flag. The culture is ours, but they're the ones with all the cash.